Welcome guys. In this video we are going to install Python on a Windows. As the first step, navigate your browser to python.org. So let's hover your mouse onto the downloads button. Don't press it, just move your cursor and you will see the most up-to-date Python version will come up. Currently it is 3.8.1, but until you see 3.8 or 3.9 you are good to go. Click on Python 3.8.1 button and it will start to download the package. When it is finished, open it and the installer wizard should come up. It asks whether we want to run this file. Yes, we would like to run it, so press run. On the next page, check the Add Python to the Path Environment variable box. The path variable lists the directories that will be searched for executables when you type a command in the command prompt. You will be able to access Python by simply typing Python in the command prompt. Then, press the Install Now button. The installation is finished, so now you can close the wizard. In order to validate our Python setup, open up a command prompt. In the command prompt, just type in Python. This command starts the Python interpreter in an interactive mode where Python executes your statements line by line. Here, you can write your first Python statement which prints hello world to the standard output. That's all for now. I hope I will see you in the next lesson.